Good day to you, people of the interwebs. So, I've been away for the weekend, a busy weekend, and a parcel has also arrived while I was away. I just picked it up now. I wanted to do like an unboxing, first impressions video, because I know what it is. It's not like a surprise unboxing, it's just what I think it is, because it's like the first 1/6 scale figure collectible that I've bought. So, the good people in demand have posted this to me. They must be keeping their elves very busy over there, because then they too have had a busy weekend. Must have taken a lot of preparation, and also been able to get out shipments as well at the same time. Whew. Yeah, let's get this box open. There's the flyer, if you wanted to know anything about the company. It's not a sponsored video. So, packaging. Look at this. The title hasn't given it away. Still, can't really read maybe from this box here either. There's a bubble wrap layer. And now a plastic layer. Oh, it's like pass the parcel without the music, this. Or passing it to other people. It's a Game of Thrones. Sandor, Clegane. The Hound. 1/6 scale figure. Just really love this. It's nicely, feels nice, and it's embossed. It's got the 3 dogs, which is the Clegane's coat of arms, embossed into this. It kind of feels quite, even though it's cardboard, it feels leathery. I really like that. So, is this just a sleeve? Do I put this out? And again, we'll get to it eventually. Look at that. Oh, hello. There he is, man. There's the man himself. What else have we got? We're almost at him. Oh, he's a beauty, alright. Amazing! Let's see here. Sorry, it's like silence, just an appreciation here. It's not things flying. Discount gel. Do not eat, throw away. I follow instructions well. And, oh. Let's unbag his head, shall we? He's got a little... That's quite weird. It's like, because he's so lifelike and all these bits of plastic, it's quite morbid. It's almost like he's in some kind of morgue or something, you know. I feel like Dexter or something like that. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that head sculpt. It's just, wow, that is it Rory McCann who plays the Hound? He's a really... I have an affinity for kind of henchman-like characters. And so I did like the Hound straight away. Oh! I like the Hound straight away, and just has his character, progressed in the books and in the show, was just even better. I just all this armored parts, and the chainmail is material, but it's not real chain. But I didn't really expect that it would be. But yeah, just absolutely. Belts and the pouches, it's all faded. It's custom faded. Absolutely gorgeous. Got a nice deep knee bend there. You can do crunches in here. There's a lot going on underneath this big surcoat. Whoa. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So he's got some... Let's look at his swords, shall we? Here's the big one. How does this fit? Does this fit on the... back here? So... this scabbard will be sheathed there. How well is it? Oh! What hand have we got here? So just pull that easy. That just comes off. Oh, right. Comes off easy, that. Well, it's not. That's not the bit that I want to come off. Mushroom peg. So that's a bit harder than I thought. It's easier to take it off at the wrist than it is to take it off at the hand. It goes in nicely. It's got a nice bend there. Yeah, and he holds that quite. See, so when you say things and then it doesn't come to pass, so you've got to get the angle just right. It's a bit annoying. If you get the angle right, we'll hold it well enough for a pose, but I'm not sure. A bit of wear and tear. So that'll get some writing. Maybe so, yeah. If you just get it tucked in to the fingers there, it'll hold that nicely enough. So there's that. Let's get his shorter sword. Yeah. Not really. Not really. It's not doing too well. Where does that live? Where does this one live? Not entirely sure where this goes into. I don't know, does it go here, or is that for his knife? Ah, right over. Thing here for that. It's got a smaller knife, it's still sellotaped in. Yeah, not a chance of holding that. Let's just not even go there. There's a bit that dropped on the floor here. This not going to bother with that. Don't think he's ever really used it. It goes there. It looks nice, but it's not really that practical for using. But oh my god, the fit and finish is gorgeous. I'm a little bit disappointed at how he holds his weapons, or doesn't hold his weapons. That's a little bit disappointing for, you know, this kind of premium figure. But the clothes and the head sculpt and this manky, this hair feels manky. I don't know, I've never had one of these like things with real hair before. It's a bit but other than that, yeah, gorgeous figure, massive, absolutely massive, and one of my favourite characters of one of my favourite TV shows around, so totally worth it. Feel it's nice. It's a really lovely figure. So I'm a bit tired. Trying to be more good. This is beautiful. It is beautiful. Just a little bit disappointing how he holds his weapons, but other than that, got some really good articulate in that. Oh, like a nice clicky ratchets, swivels and all this. Oh, yeah, lovely, 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 lovely. So, I've been Bisto Yay. Remember, you can like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of stuff, or do the opposite. You know, it's up to you. Only cunts do whatevers. So I'm going to go off now, and I'm going to watch the latest episode of Game of Thrones, and knowing my luck, they'll probably kill him off. Again. Till then, thanks for watching. You've been beautiful. I've been just being me. Big up your bad selves. Be excellent to each other. Party on, dudes. And because you deserve it, bestow. Visto.